Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the YouTube app and signing into the channel you'll use. Next, tap the plus and choose Create a Short or Upload to bring your vertical clip into the editor. You'll see the music icon and trim controls. These are essential. While you import, make sure your clip is vertical and under 60 seconds. Once done, tap the music note to browse tracks, because selecting the right song early keeps your timing tight and avoids re-editing. Now you pick a track. Tap music and browse by song, mood, or genre. You can also search specific keywords. Once you choose a track, use the trim handle to set the exact start point. This matters for hooks and sync. Adjust the music volume relative to your clip's original audio and add a voiceover if needed. If timing is tricky, nudge the track or trim the video. Making small shifts will align beats with cuts and make the short feel polished. Finish by checking captions, final trim, and the thumbnail frame. Include hashtags that describe the song or trend. Then set visibility, confirm audience settings, not made for kids if appropriate, and tap Upload. If you get an unavailable track message, try a different regional version, shorten the clip to comply with license limits, or pick from the YouTube audio library. If audio drops after publishing, edit the short, swap the track, and resave.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.